Hello, and welcome back, my beautiful sunshines, my beautiful dolls, to this your channel. If you guys are not subscribed already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell for your notifications to get notified of any of my uploads. Right there, I'm showing you what I will be using, at least what I remember to show you that I will be using. Later on in the video, you'll be seeing other stuff that I will be using. It's an iNFiLL and PoLyGeL. I'll be using these two polishes from Elite 99 and Finger Paints. Elite 99 is a gel polish, Finger Paints is the regular polish. And I'll be using this sticker. She wanted something with little decoration but no rhinestones and no 3D. That brush is a gel brush, and I'll be using it to clean up around the nails just in case some polish gets out of hand. As you can see, her nails looked really good except for the growth. The polish was pretty good. You guys know I use normal polish and the Such Feet gel like top coat, and they look really good. I mean, she works in hand dishwashing, and she's been going swimming this summer, so they look really good for all that wear and tear. And of course, I removed the polish with acetone. Excuse my nails, you guys. Really, in person they didn't even look dirty, and I see in the video they kind of look dirty, so I'm sorry, you guys. Excuse my nails. And as you can see, the nails end up kind of stained because of the polish. I didn't put I did put actually the base coat on, but the polish is really strong, so it kind of stained the PoLyGeL. But once I file it to change the tension area, well, all of that comes off. And as you can see, there is no lifting on any of them except for the pointer finger, because that's what she uses to scrub. And she also always has her, she says she's always biting on that finger, so that's probably why she has lifting on that one. On the other hand, she had absolutely no lifting. I just forgot to take pictures. It was just her right hand. So I just continue to drill and shape and clean up the cuticle area. So right here in the lifting part, I'm showing you guys that I'm outlining it slightly with the drill. And since I'm in my living room because it was so hot, I had to move everything. They haven't fixed my AC, so I had to move everything to the living room where there's a fan. Started with my nail, and then I removed it with the cuticle pushers because my son brought it to me, but I didn't notice I was off camera. And then I continued to cleaning, pushing the cuticle again and cleaning that nail bed area, well, the nail area, the nail plate area. And then when I apply the PoLyGeL, I did not notice my phone recorded in the other position instead of the one I usually use to be able to zoom in. So when I rotated it and tried to zoom it in, it would not let me, so I apologize if it's not really up close. I really tried, but it didn't let me. It would make it even smaller when I tried to zoom in after rotation. So but I'm pretty sure there'll be another infill with this set because the lifting is minimal like in that nail. So she wants to continue to use this until it's her natural nail and just do an overlay of the PoLyGeL on her natural nail. After application, of course, I cure for 2 minutes on this little lamp. It's a mini sun LED lamp. It does 1.5, but I did 2 minutes just in case. The PoLyGeL really doesn't leave any sticky residue unless you under cure it. But I still like to clean it anyways because although it doesn't feel sticky to the touch, I feel like when I file, a little powder gets stuck on top of the nail. So I'm shaping the nail, and then I end up wiping it anyways, I believe. I don't know if I came out of the recording before I use the drill. So I just continue to shape, file, and then use the drill. After I'm done with the filing and the buffing, I of course clean up with the alcohol. I don't have any finish solution anymore. I'm using this alcohol I bought at Sally's. It's cherry alcohol. It's meant for doing this actually, and it's meant for disinfecting your utensils after the barbicide, of course. And I will be sealing the nails with this photo finish from Gelish. It's meant to seal gel nails and acrylic, so I'll be putting that on before the polish. I really feel like that helps a lot when you do the one that actually tells you it is an artificial nail sealant. So I really love this gel top coat for this. So after I cure, I will be putting Finger Paints glitter polish on the pinky and on the pointer finger. I do one coat of the glitter and then I move on to applying the gel polish on the two middle fingers. I do the thumb as well, but I do that separate since I don't want it to be lopsided when I put it under the lamp. So I put a thin layer of each polish on, put it to cure under the lamp, and I do that 3 times. So that they could get a little more color and consistency. So after the last top coat is dry, I go ahead and proceed to add the decorations. I add a rope kind of on the bottom corner, and then I add an anchor in the center, and then I just proceed to add the gel elixir top coat on the gel polish nails, and then the such feet on the glitter nails. And I add 2 coats on that nail because of the decoration. And there you have it. After this one more top coat, you will have your ending results. If you guys like this video, you like this channel, you like the results, please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell for the notifications. And again, thanks a lot for watching. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes. I'll see you in the next one, and God bless you. I love ya.